guys. Today I am reading, you guys. Don't push the button. Only has 13 pages. I counted before I read it. So, hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Someone pushed it. If you're on like your iPad or if you even have a phone, push it. Uh-oh, I just pushed it because he just told me. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Guys, push it again. Uh-oh. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Guys, push it 2 times now. Uh-oh. Eek! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Guys, listen what I said. Push it about jump times. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold on. Yeah. I can't see anything. Okay, guys. So right now I'm playing a game. It's called. It is called. Uh-oh. Save the doll. Do not push it now. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Guys, shake your iPad or your phone if you even have one. Uh-oh. What just happened? Almost a little more. Guys, shake it again. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Scratch Larry's tummy, guys. Larry's right there. His tummy. So you push the button. Hee, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Push it. And the end. So, thank you for reading this book with me. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.